The income statement. For most of us, it's like reading ancient scrolls or a recipe in a language we don't speak. But don't worry. Today, I'm here to make it as simple as baking a croissant. Well, almost. Okay, so the income statement is a journey. We're starting at the top with revenue, the big bucks, and working down to net income, the actual cash you get to keep at the end of the day. Think of it as a money obstacle course.
I'm fast as fuck, boy.
First up, we've got revenue, the star of the show. This is every cent a business makes from selling its stuff, like your earnings from a super successful garage sale, minus the judgmental looks from your neighbors. Meet Sarah. She runs a bakery and just made 10,000 euros selling her amazing pastries. Boom, that's her revenue, the top line, before we start slicing away at it.
Really, nigga?
But next comes cost of goods sold, or COGS, which is the price of ingredients, flour, sugar, butter. You get it. For Sarah, COGS is 4,000 euro. Subtract that, and she's down to 6,000 euro. Welcome to the beautiful world of gross profit, the first real number that says, hey, we're doing all right. Then there's operating expenses, the buzzkill. This is rent, bills, marketing, and maybe a little Sarah's coffee addiction fund. If Sarah spends 2,000 euro on operating costs, she's now down to 4,000 euro. We're almost there, Sarah? Now we hit depreciation, or what happens when Sarah buys a 5,000 euro oven that depreciates over 5 years. Instead of dropping all 5,000 euro as an expense at once, we spread it out. So this month's depreciation, 200 euro. Sarah's down to 3,800. Operating income, the sweet number that shows what Sarah makes from just her day-to-day croissant-filled life. But wait, she's got a loan, 100 euro in interest, taking her to 3,700 euro. And then there's the tax man. Let's say he takes 700 euro, leaving Sarah with a final net income of 3,000 euros. That 3,000 euro is Sarah's reward for keeping the bakery running smoothly. So next time you hear top line or bottom line, remember, this statement tells the real story of how a business keeps or loses its dough. Ready to follow the money? Hit subscribe and master your cash flow.